it's Taylor from Kinpatsu Cosplay here. In this video, we're going to show you guys how Eric gets suited up in costume and transforms into Goblin Slayer. This was our first time doing a male armor build, and we're really excited about the results. Finally, we have something out there for all the mains. If you guys would like to learn more about armor making and make your own Goblin Slayer costume, we have a tutorial available on our website showing you how to make the full costume. We also have a pattern set that you can download to make your own Goblin Slayer armor. As usual, if you guys like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our work. Now that's enough from us, let's get to the video.